Ka Sorkar jela kelarai ban pentrekam yak kinduan ban penrung skul bat penrung kertengi kertong shiman private candidate. Bakin yo ban iakhun yak eksam secondary school leaving certificate SSLC jong ka Meghalaya Board of School Education embos. Hadian ka jingalang jong ka kinhun menteri haka khatn riu trik kalalingkan u menteri rang ba ka jela u konrad ki sangma ulaong ngilarai ban pentrekam yak kinduan ka ban ailat ban penrong skul bat penrong kertengi ki kertong shiman na ka benta ban iakhun yak eksam SSLC jong ka embos. Kani ka sinjam ketemu ban ailat iki kena skul ki bamla ban pas yak eksam matric lani ki ba pep skul shiteng por hadin ka jingpuli ha ka kerdan upper primary bakin iakhun yak eksam SSLC. Kidon shibun ki kena skul ki bam shimlala ban pas yak matric ha ki snam ki baladam but kidon ru shibun ki bala sangi no ban petengnya ka jingpuli hadin ka kerdan upper primary hakapor bakila kiyo siya kerdan secondary namar ki babun ki daw ong ukonrad. Ukonrad ula banjur baka ni karay kan plilat iki kina skul ki bakwa banyakhun yak eksam SSLC bakila ban le yakata wat hadin bakim shimlala haki jing persyang ki baladab lani hadin bakila pep school no shiteng por. Ngikwa ban aya kalat bakin jit bat ngathikna bakan ikan penslur ki babun ki kena ki ba namar ki daw ki bomla ban tem kim shimlala ban pas ya kai matric bat ki babun kin phaikmat haba pli yakum kan kalat kalenti ulaong.
We have decided to introduce a provision for admission and registration of private candidates for the secondary school leaving certificate examination under the Meghalaya Board of School Education. As you're aware, there are a large number of students who in the past could not clear the metric exam, and there are a large number also who end up dropping out post the upper primary when they enter the secondary level because of different factors. So we have realized that this large number, even though they desire to come back and give the exam again, they are not able to give it because of different provisions that restrict them from giving that particular exam. What we have decided in the cabinet today is to streamline and to ensure that we make it easy for any candidate who wishes to give the SSLC exam to pass class 10, even though he or she may have failed in the previous years, or for whatever reason could not continue with the schooling post class 8, we want to give that option to them, and this I'm sure will encourage many such youngsters who for whatever circumstance were not able to clear their metric exam. They would be looking forward to be given an opportunity to do that, and this particular provision today and this particular decision will allow those children to give that particular exam and clear the metric